In this session, we are going to discuss about abstract class and interface. So, what do you mean by an abstraction? Abstraction is nothing but hiding the internal implementation of the feature and only showing the functionality to the user. That is what it works, how it works. Both abstract class and interface are used for abstraction. So it will not tell the whole thing. It will tell only the necessary things and it will hide the unnecessary thing. So if you're booking tickets, if you're booking movie tickets online on bookmyshow.com, you can see the story begins in this way. The hero named so and so, heroine named so and so, there is this, there is whatever it will be. It will not tell the whole thing, it will tell something. So abstract class versus interface. Type of methods. Interface can only have abstractions, and abstraction can have abstraction and non-abstraction methods from. Okay. Final variables. Variables declared in Java interface are default final. An abstract class may contain non-final variables. So the type of variable. Abstract class can have final, non-final, static, and non-static, but interface has only static and final variable. Implementation. Abstract class can provide the implementation of interface, but interface class cannot provide the implementation to the abstract class. So this experiment will enable you to understand and apply the interface concept in Java and build a Java application with my interface to achieve the abstraction and runtime polymorphism. So what do you mean by interface? An interface is called full abstraction. So 100% abstraction is known as interface. Abstraction is a process where you can only show the relevant data and hide unnecessary details of an object from this. I have said this previously. Interface looks like a class, but it is not a class. An interface can have methods and variables just like the class, but the methods declared in the interface are default abstract. And also the variables declared an interface are public, static, and final by default. So this is a basic sample example code. So interface vehicle. So what I would like to see is void, change case, speed up, apply base. Yes, it's a simple code you can understand. You can understand. An abstract class is a class that is declared abstract. It may or may not include abstract methods. Abstract classes cannot be instantialized, but they can be subclassed. An abstract method is a method that is declared without an implementation, without braces and followed by a semicolon. You can see without braces and without semicolon. So we are going to solve a problem. So the problem is create an interface called credit card interface with methods use card, pay credit, and increase limit. So create another interface, credit view interface with method view credit amount, create a class called another class is another silver card customer, name card number, uh, and credit amount initialized to 0. Credit limit should be set to 50,000 and necessary constructor and set to get a function. So constructor means you can use this function. So create a member class which implements a credit card interface, and now credit view interface and inherit silver card customer class, demonstrate the operations in a menu driven fashion from main class. So we are going to solve the program. See, this is a class. So they said to, so I have given the choice to user to type any amount. So scanner C equal to new scanner system.in. Sorry, I am giving the output as use card, pay credit, increase limit, and the fourth one is exit. You can see here they said, oh, excuse me, they said to use, uh, first you need to create a credit card interface. This is a class. So then I need to use the methods. So I have uh, given the methods. Then I'm using this credit card interface card equal to new member. So I'm giving the choice while on. So I'm giving the choice. So I'm giving the choice. So the choice is, you can see card dot use card, then break. Again I'm using case 2 card dot pay credit. I'm breaking it. Then I'm using third case card dot increment increase limit. Then I'm using break, and now I'm giving whether it is a false or true. So okay, I need to interface credit card interface. I'm using void use card pay credit increase limit, and this is a thing interface. And again I'm creating another class silver card customer. So you can see they said to create another class. So in that we should have name card number credit amount, and the limit should be set to 50,000. So the name string name card number string int credit amount, the amount is 0, the credit limit is 50,000. These are the variable data variables. I'm returning the name. So now I need to use, since they said to use the required constructor and getter and setter function, so I'm using this dot name. This is used for simply for constructor. This dot name equal to name return the credit card. So again I'm using this dot card number equal to card number return credit amount, this dot credit amount equal to credit amount. So I'm again returning credit limit. So this dot credit limit equal to so they said to they said in the final you can see create a member class which implements the credit card interface, credit view interface, and inherit silver card customer. So they said to inherit. So I'm extending this member. I'm creating a class called member. I'm extending this to silver card customer implements credit card interface. So you can see, and again credit view interface. So I'm giving the choice to the user, so he can type anything. So S dot will be, so I need to enter amount, how much amount I need to pay, and whether credit card or debit card, current dues, enter the amount to pay, and enter the new credit limit. This is a program. I'm going to show you the output. The program has been executed. So use card, I'm typing one. So use card, enter the amount, I'm typing 1,000. So again pay credit. So the due is 1,000, so I'm paying 500. You can see, since the current due is 1,000, but I have paid only pay. So again the remaining amount I need to pay is 500, so it showed the 500. So I would like to increase the limit. So currently the limit is 50,000. I have set it to 50,000. You can see here. Excuse me. You can see, yeah, I have set it to 50,000. Sure, it is showing 50,000. So I would like to change it to 1 lakh. So I change it to 1 lakh. So it will show the current limit to 1 lakh. This is all about the interface abstraction. Thank you.